Today we got another trailer that's got some issues. It has no turn signals, driver side or passenger side, and I want to thank you for coming back to the channel. Probably going to be a couple videos just on this trailer, because not only does it not have a driver side turn signal, it doesn't have a passenger side turn signal. Some of the marker lights are not working. More than likely that's just the lights. I'm just going to replace them. But it also has brake issues where it has no parking brakes or service brake. When you pull the buttons out, it doesn't stop rolling. If you smash on the brake pedal, it doesn't stop. And I did notice that somebody has the red line disconnected. And it's going to be a couple videos just on this trailer alone. We're going to start with the 7-way because that's a common denominator between the right and left, or driver side and passenger side turn signals. And we're going to check that out. It could just be rusted. Then just replacing the plug where you plug the light cord into is kind of a straightforward thing if that's what the problem is. We're going to go ahead and start working on this thing. Okay, here's the 7-way all unbolted. The problem's not in the 7-way. Went ahead, climbed underneath, traced the wiring. It runs in a channel up inside this plate. It goes into a tube and then runs into this channel all the way back the trailer. Now, in the center of the trailer, where you would have what a lot of people refer to as mid-turn signals, these lights here. This light here is actually missing the plug altogether. There's no plug even connected into the light. The other side, the grounds are missing, connected up. So we're going to go ahead, and this bulb here, or light on the other side, is bad. So I'm going to replace that with whatever I have, hook up the grounds, and then I'm going to move to the back of the trailer because we don't have any turn signals on this trailer. At the back, center, nowhere. So then I'm going to move back to there. And this is unusual to find a lot of different problems. I don't know how long this trailer sat, but we got this light working. This bulb here was burned out. The only one I had was a clear lens LED. I'm thinking temporarily in there, but I may wind up leaving it in there permanently because I'll probably forget to get one and put it in. You know how it is, you get busy and you forget things. The ground was missing on this one. The ground was missing on this one. This bulb was burned out. The other side, the grounds are off and the plug is missing. And I haven't even got to the tail of the trailer yet. This is just the center of the trailer. All right, I appreciate you watching the video. Come on back and see what I find out with the air brakes. We'll find out. Everybody have a better day than you've been having. Have a great year. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.